Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Might be a little shaky here. I'm not using the gimbal right now because it's raining. We are have to do a 4-kilometer road walk. Plans didn't work out the way we wanted. Wanted to go to this new area I've never been to, Middle Bombay Trail in Finlay Bay. It's actually booked. Somebody's is out there. There's one to one spot. So Kevin dropped us off, but he had to get going, so I had to wait for the office to open. So now I got to walk all the way to the parking lot at the south end of the Cabian Trail and hike in from there. And we're going to go to Tea Harbor. Well, we made it onto the Cabian Trail, so we got about another 4 kilometers to camp. It was a 4-kilometer road walk and now a 4-kilometer trail walk. That's a first for me. Yeah, the rain seems to be holding off. Drizzled a little bit on the road walk and stopped now, so hopefully it clears up by the time we get to camp. I hate setting up at the rain, setting up camp in the rain, and then I like to have my fire. So obviously got to have my fire. Oh, somebody's got some business to do. we made it to camp. Yeah, I got all settled here. It was a lot quicker than I thought it would be. I was kind of dreading the road walk, but that was nice. It was actually went by quick, and then once I got on the trail, I felt like I just started the hike, and that I didn't hike over 4 kilometers already. Yeah, it went pretty good. I got the food bag all hung up. Just hung it for now. So I'm gonna take Xena for a walk up the trail for a bit. Go a couple kilometers up the trail. I think I better hang the food. Yeah, it's hung up there. Limb. It's coming down. Tied around. And then we'll go back to camp. Camp way down. And no Xena just patiently waiting for Daddy. Hey, sweetheart. Let's go to T Harbor. Come on, let's go for a walk. Come on. We'll just go for a stroll over to T Harbor. Just check out there for a while. Hey, come on. Hey, don't you want to go to T Harbor? You love T Harbor. She loves it over there. Yeah, you love it over there at T Harbor. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. What? Hey, let's go to T Harbor. I went up a bit, but she really just does not want to go. Well, we're going to head back to camp. I'll just try gathering up some more firewood. Got quite a bit already, so I want to make sure I have enough for tonight. And for the morning, it's supposed to be nice in the morning, so I'm going to want to do a fire in the morning after I first wake up. It'll probably be cold too. So it's 3 o'clock. Looks like things are clearing up. Sun's starting to get a little sunny. It's all breaking up. All those blue skies are heading this way. Yeah. So yeah, I got a bunch of firewood done, and I just stored it all in the vestibule of the tent, just in case it started raining. And keep it dry so I'm not going to start the fire it's like 6. Like I said, it's 3 o'clock now. 6 o'clock I'll probably do the fire. Hey, don't lick. She has hot spots she keeps licking. But yeah, I got some firewood right there. The stuff I just cut now. I didn't bother putting it in the tent, in the vestibule, because yeah, I think that's it for the rain, at least for now. And I got to get this whole brat to something. Yeah, I'm so disappointed I didn't get that spot I was originally thinking about. Next time I'm going to call and book it, make a reservation. I think I might do that next weekend. This time I'll call in advance anyway, so I can get it. Because I'm really looking forward to that spot because I've never been in that area yet. So I'd like to go be a whole new territory to explore, check out that campsite. My buddy Zach was out there before. He said it's pretty nice. But I really like this spot. We just took the first spot for T Harbor, which originally I didn't know was actually technically part of T Harbor. Now they got the zones, each zone as part of the T Harbor zone, because the actual T Harbor is still about 2 kilometers from here. I'm looking forward to the morning. It's supposed to be totally clear in the morning, be up before the sun is up. and then get a fire going and just sit here and watch the spectacular sunrise. It's about 4:30 right now. I think about get something to eat. Yeah, look at that. You see that's raining down there, but that's not going to hit us. It's going down that way. Yeah, there's part of T Harbor there, the one end of it. Well, it's turning out to be a beautiful evening. The sun peeked out. It's kind of behind a cloud now, but it got nice and sunny here. And it's 6 o'clock now. And somebody is passed out. And now I'm doing a lot around camp, just tidying up things and getting all the firewood organized. Enough wood. Got some wood in there and there, and then I got some in the back vestibule, quite a bit in there too. But that's I'm saving for morning. Just gotta keep it in there for the in case it rains throughout the night, which it's not supposed to. And then I got firewood for the morning, and I'll probably have some of this stuff left over too by the end of the night. And this stuff, I'll just put whatever's left, I'll put my rain cover over. Yeah, beautiful night. I love it when the waves are nice and strong like that. Just hearing those waves, sitting by the fire, those waves, or when I'm going to sleep, just hearing those waves. Another thing I don't like about it is when I'm trying to scoop up some water. Sometimes I just out there got my feet wet earlier. Yeah, look at that. Clearing right up. Well, I'm a happy camper. I'm happy. You know, even though it was like hiking, it's kind of raining, just very little, it's just gloomy and everything. I still love it. You know, it's being out here on a rainy day is still better than at work on a sunny day. But yeah, it's turning out to be beautiful. Okay, so now I'm just going to relax. Have a little bite to eat. Let's fire. I can't catch it on video. Well, you can see the headlamps. I think that's headlamps from people over at T Harbor. Technically, this is T Harbor as well. But you can see the firelight from two different campsites out there. It's like 2 kilometers away. We got the lighthouse. It's 9 o'clock now. I think I'll stay up for another hour or so and then bed. Surprised Xena's just sleeping under a tree there. Surprised she hasn't gone and wanted to go in the tent yet. Usually pretty early she likes to go in the tent. Well, I sit here for a couple hours. Okay, yeah, just now after saying that Xena's in the tent now. She wanted in the tent. So just saying how I was surprised she wasn't in the tent yet. And I came, sat by the fire and started whining to go in. So yeah, she's done for the night. So about another hour I'll go join her. Well, good night, everybody. Been a pretty good day. Looking forward to the morning. Up before the sunrise. Get the fire going and watch a beautiful sunrise. Okay, we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. It is 5:30 a.m. I slept really good last night. Set my alarm for 5:30. Ended up waking up at 5, so it's like, yeah, I'll get up now. Well, we're all packed up here, and we're about to hike out, back out the way we came in. Don't have to do a road walk this time, so it's only a 4-kilometer hike out. But yeah, just a one night. Not exactly what I planned. I want to do Middle Braun, but like I said, we'll do that next weekend. Yeah. But yeah, we're all packed up, and just sitting here. Fire's dying out, so I'm gonna make sure that's completely out, and then we're gonna start hiking out. But it's, like I said, it wasn't what I had in mind, but still loved it. It's still a great time. Weather turned out nice. Beautiful morning. Totally clear. So it'll be a nice hike out. And I don't know if you can see it. There's a sailboat over there in Key Harbor. But anyways, all right. You know the drill. Like this video, thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hey, why not subscribe? If you like these videos, go ahead, subscribe. It helps me out a lot. All right, thank you guys. And we'll see you next week. And maybe I'll have that Middle Braun Bay video. Finlay Bay. We're going to hike Middle Braun Bay Trail and then Finlay Bay Trail and camp out at Finlay. Like I said before, I've never done that area yet, so I'm really looking forward to that one. This time I'm going to book it. So yeah, I'll book it in advance so I can guarantee that spot. There's only one campsite. Apparently Xena really wants to do the Sea Lion Trail. Yeah, we got time, so yeah, we'll go up to the Sea Lion. So it's only like 0.4 kilometers. Why not? I was actually kind of thinking about doing it too, but then decided not to. But she was refusing to go back. Yeah, she wants the rugged stuff. So, yeah, we're going to just do this. And then, yeah, because we're really early, so. There's something down there, something big down on the shoreline. You're running, she's really pulling. There's the sea lion. So apparently it used to actually have like a head that has broken off and fell into the lake like years and years and years ago. Can't remember. Don't quote this on me, but I think it was in the 40s that happened. Maybe could have been a long time earlier. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's it. We just got like half a kilometer left and we're done. I'll fit like after we hike back down from the sea line.